Vehicle applications. GMC, 1994 to 2003 Sonoma 2.2L, 1992 to 2004 Sonoma 4.3L, 1992 to 2005 Safari, Jimmy 4.3L, 1992-1993 Typhoon 4.3L, Chevrolet, 1994 to 2003 S10 2.2L 4.3L, 1992 to 1994 S10 Blazer 4.3L, 1996 to 2005 Blazer 4.3L, 1992 to 2005 Astro 4.3L, 1993 to 1997 Camaro 5.7L. Additional applications. Chevrolet, 1993 to 1995 Camaro 3.4L, 1995 to 1997 Camaro 3.8L, Pontiac, 1993 to 1995 Firebird 3.4L, 1995 to 1997 Firebird 3.8L, 1993 to 1997 Firebird 5.7L, 1996 to 2000 Isuzu Hombre 2.2L, 1997 to 2000 Isuzu Hombre 4.3L, 1992 to 2001 Oldsmobile Bravada 4.3L. Easy installation. A seamless DIY replacement that can be completed in minutes. Remove your old filter, replace with Fram engine filter ensuring it is sealed around the perimeter, replace cover and fasten. Double maximum protection. Fram automotive replacement engine filter provides 2x the protection compared to standard filters for up to 12,000 miles. Expansive airflow. With a fine filter media, Extra Guard captures various debris without hampering airflow. Filter attracts dirt like a magnet so that maximum amount of debris stay trapped to prevent entering within the engine. Fram Extra Guard air filters are your first line of defense preventing damaging road dust and dirt particles from entering your engine. Extra Guard air filters are engineered with an advanced filter media that lets through 2x less dirt than average leading standard retail brands and protects your vehicle's engine up to 2 years or 12,000 miles. Replacing a dirty air filter with a new Fram Extra Guard air filter can help increase horsepower, acceleration and overall engine performance. Get better protection with ease and install a new Fram Extra Guard air filter today. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, good price. A great product, good price and easy to install.